Ooh, it's a new cell.
Northwestern Tarrant County in north central eastern Wise County in north central Texas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and energy winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Pelican Bay to Willow Park, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cottondale, White Settlement, and Westworth around 6:15 p.m. Aurora, Boyd, Sansom Park, and River Oaks around 6:20 p.m. Hazel around 6:25 p.m. Saginaw and Pelican Bay around 6:30 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.
Doubleheader! Doubleheader! Doubleheader, yes!
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north central Texas until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles south of Flower Mound, moving north at 40 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Louisville, Double Oak, Martinville, and Hampton around 6:20 p.m. Hickory Creek, Highland Village, Copper Canyon, and Argonne around 6:25 p.m. Lake Dallas and Shady Shores around 6:30 p.m. This will impact Interstate 35 east between mile markers 400